Have you ever wondered how that package you ordered online makes it to your doorstep? Behind every delivery is an unsung hero, the delivery driver. Hey everyone, welcome to our Job Mesh YouTube channel, where we explore exciting careers and jobs. Today, we're going to look at the role of a delivery driver. In this video, we'll break down exactly what a delivery driver does day to day, the skills and qualifications you need, salary potential, career growth opportunities, and more. Whether you're interested in becoming a delivery driver yourself or just want to learn more about this vital logistics role, stick around as we dive into the life of a delivery driver. Job description. A delivery driver's main job is to safely deliver packages, food orders, and other items to customers' homes and businesses. To do this, you will drive a company vehicle along a planned route making deliveries. You need to follow all traffic rules and drive carefully. When you arrive at a stop, you will hand the customer their delivery. You should be friendly and polite. You will have a schedule of deliveries that you need to finish each day. It is important to stay on time. Some other parts of the job are loading the truck in the morning and organizing all the packages, following directions to get to each delivery address, filling out paperwork or scanning parcels to show they were delivered, checking your vehicle to make sure it is working properly, refueling your truck when needed, letting your boss know if there are any problems. Being a delivery driver is a fast-paced job. You get to be on the road and not stuck in an office. You also get to meet a lot of new people when you drop off packages. Good customer service is important. Responsibilities. Core delivery driver responsibilities include security, safe driving, documentation, route planning, problem solving, vehicle maintenance, emergency response, loading and unloading, adherence to regulations, company policies compliance. Job types. Common delivery driver. Job titles include last mile delivery driver, package delivery driver, bulk hauling driver, auto transporter, courier driver. Salary. Delivery driver salaries can vary quite a bit based on factors like location, experience, and employer. But according to recent data, the average salary for delivery drivers in the UK is £35,000 per year. To break that down further, entry-level drivers tend to make between £18,000 to £22,000 annually. With a few years of experience under your belt, salaries in the £25,000 to £30,000 range are common. Veteran drivers with 5+ years experience often earn £30,000 to £40,000. Qualifications. A full, valid driving license with a clean record is required for all delivery driver roles. Some employers may prefer candidates with additional qualifications like logistics apprenticeships, defensive driving certificates, experience driving larger vehicles, but hands-on delivery experience and customer service skills tend to be most valued by employers. A day in the life of a delivery driver. Now let's walk through what a typical day looks like for a delivery driver. Review orders. To start their day, drivers review their delivery schedule and customer orders. They check details like addresses and planned routes to ensure they have everything they need loaded in their vehicle. Reviewing orders and planning the day's timeline is key. Pre-trip inspections. Before hitting the road, drivers conduct important pre-trip inspections of their vehicles. They check for issues like tire pressure, fluid levels, lights, and more to confirm the vehicle is in safe operating condition. This preventative maintenance helps avoid problems during the shift. Complete paperwork. Drivers have to complete paperwork for each delivery, get signatures, and handle payments. Careful documentation provides proof of delivery and helps resolve any customer issues. How to find a delivery driver. Job in the UK. Want to start applying for delivery driver positions? Visit jobmesh.co.uk and search for delivery driver jobs across the UK. Let's do a quick search on Job Mesh to see current openings. As you can see from these results, new delivery driver roles are posted daily by top employers and local companies. There are opportunities across various cities and experience levels. With the right license, skills, and customer service attitude, you can land a great delivery driver job. All right, that wraps up this overview of what it's like working as a delivery driver. Hopefully, this gave you a great idea of what this job involves day to day. Let me know in the comments if you have any other questions. And don't forget to like and subscribe to stay tuned for more career guide videos. Thanks for watching.